But this man, he's gonna tell us all the information. Stick around, give a right. Don't go. Daddy. What's the name of this place?
You want to request?
No, I'm still waiting for my friends. Can I sit here?
No man, don't sit there. You're gonna fall and you die here. Sit down here.
I don't wanna die.
No, yeah, sit down here. Because you see at the back there, it's shallow like this. You fall, go with your head, you die.
Yeah, but where is this place?
Which one?
This place.
You want to request?
I'm still waiting for my friends, but I wanna know where I am.
You are in Randbeck, my man. Street on Park.
One?
Street on Park.
Student Park.
Street on Park.
Student Park.
Yes.
Oh. Is that where the thing is? But I wanna go with you.
Sorry?
I wanna go with you.
Go with me where?
To your house.
No, there's my wife and kids.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't have a place.
Tommy, why are you back?
Why?
Like, why are you back?
What's happening? You
I'm
live, right?
just here. Yeah, I am live. I'm just minding my own business.
So?
And I don't mind getting kicked.
They kicked us out. They're dead.
Why are you here?
They kicked me out as well.
No, they didn't kick you out. Don't lie.
They did. I
Why?
tell you. Because
Why?
my friend is outside though.
Well, no, you're lying. Well, then I don't care. Tom, it's fine. I don't care about this. Any white people. But if I come back, do you think they're gonna get me out?
I don't know.
But if I come back, do you think they're gonna get me out?
I don't know.
Tommy, go get him. Please go get him. I'm gonna take a video. I don't care. That's him. I say, like, when's a galani? Can we go to him?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
He's
Can
nice.
we have McDonald's?
I'm not hungry. I want that man in that car. Think about it. Yeah, I do.
Go and get him.
So whenever you're coming back to Joburg, you know that's here not allowed. Don't come back again.
Who?
Who, me?
Yes.
I'm not allowed.
Anymore. You are banned for good. For
What,
the
you
rest-
gonna stop me?
Huh?
What, you gonna stop me from coming?
My man, you see that guy, you take your picture. Your picture.
Who is that? Who took your picture?
Show me that guy at the bar.
He took a picture of you.
Yeah.
He took a picture of me. What the gonna do?
Exactly.
He's just
So he's not allowed to be here for what?
Anymore.
Why?
He was taking photos inside there. He was taking.
I didn't take photos.
Who?
You saw me. I didn't take photos. You saw my phone.
Me, I wasn't there. They come
Yeah,
for
but
me
you
there.
checked my phone.
Then
I didn't take nobody
even some
photo.
other customers, patrons, they were complaining about him.
But I don't give a. I don't wanna
Why
come back
did
here.
he tell you? Because why is he outside before you?
I can go.
So they were taking. You were taking pictures.
I
of them.
didn't take photos. He saw me when I wasn't
He
taking
was-
photos.
He was uploading something on Instagram.
I didn't upload.
Who?
This guy.
No, not Musa.
Not me. I didn't.
That's what
I didn't
they think
do.
of him. Not
Exactly. I didn't take.
No, guys, there's
But
no
you saw my
big
phone.
deal about it. I'm just telling him that in case if he come back, he said
I'm not gonna come back here.
In case if he come back to Joburg, he is not allowed anymore.
I'm not gonna come back.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can come back. I'm gonna give me a
week.
week.
Anytime you want. But him,
I don't care. I'm gonna go to other places where I can take off my clothes.
yeah. No.
So they're saying that you're not allowed to come here. For what, though?
I don't give a.
It's written there. It's private club.
I am private.
Yeah, you know when.
Then you can take my phone when I come next time. Then then I'm just gonna go.
No, you're not allowed, my man.
I don't care.
You didn't know the rules.
I
man.
didn't know the rules.
But I always come here with my phone, though.
Yes, but you don't go around taking.
I didn't take photos
Who
though.
was taking photos?
I mean, he was
But you saw my
himself.
phone. I didn't take no
He was
photo.
shooting himself, whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, it's myself.
You see.
Indians. I wanna go to that red car. Can't we go? I wanna get to that car. Chummy, can't we go?
Were you taking pictures of everyone in there?
I didn't take pictures of anyone. He tracked my phone. He saw no picture. So why am I suddenly taking pictures? He went through my phone. He was like, no pictures. Because I didn't take pictures. I was just like, I don't know white people.
It's not making sense. You see what he's talking.
I don't know white people. When
That guy. Let's go and hug that guy.
you think we should do that?
I
You
think we
this is a good
should.
idea?
Don't you think it's a good idea?
Yeah, I just don't want to get shot.
But you.
But what if he
taking
wants
videos
white
of
people? Because everybody wants white people. But that guy is nice.
Stupid, though.
What? The guy is stupid or he's stupid?
You stupid.
Yeah, I don't give a I'm back here anyway. You don't need to kick me out. I'm not coming back.
Friend,
play.
Were you taking videos of everyone, though?
I didn't take videos of anyone. I just had a good time. Then I tried to get
Did
me.
you take videos of everyone?
I don't know.
I didn't take videos. Chomi, I wanted.
Just come and call me
I
quickly.
wanted to get
And when
laid.
I just reached there,
And I'm
I
like-
had someone when I was leaving. It's like, don't go out with alcohol. I'm like, okay.
Well, we can't do that. Fine. But then I wanted to get laid by them white guys and the other one that I must pay 2,000 rand. I'm like, yeah, I got money to pay. And then he didn't want to lay me. Like, I don't come back here anyway. I come back 20 years later when I'm like, I have great hair. Then you're not going to see me.
You're not gonna recognize you.
I'm going to come back. Tommy, can we go to that car?
Go to the car.
Tommy, where is that guy of yours? He is cute.
No, it's not.
No, Mzobe is not. Mzobe is like giving me other vibes.
What vibes is that?
I don't know, but he's not my type. Oh, they're gonna kick me out of the whole window now. There's that one.
Hi there.
Chome, give me a secret, Hle. I want me another secret. I know I asked you already. Please.
I don't mean.
I'm talking to you.
You have never asked me for anything.
Well, I'm sorry. May I please get a
I
secret?
don't mind giving you, yeah, but I haven't even said 2 words to you.
Well, I thought you were the one that I asked for a secret earlier. Please. Well, get it.
Get it. When you tell me, yeah.
I just want to smoke. That's all I'm wanting.
Find it first.
That would be nice. Thank you.
What now?
Thank you. I appreciate. I'm just
You
wanting
want a
to
light?
smoke.
You want a light?
Where I need a light. This is good. I just want to smoke. Thank you.
It's laced, eh? But she don't mind it. Dragon shit. Oh, you don't care if
I just want to smoke. Thank you.
Oh, that's the funniest. My friend, thank you.
So now, do we go? Yeah, I don't want to go.
Zobe, phumela ngaphandle. Ungikaphi?
Hayibo mina ngiyazi bangifonela manje bangidinga serious.
Ngikaphi ke?
Angikwazi ukukhapha bangidinga serious.
Ngoze ngiphi imali ke ngihambi ke.
Now guys, that was Musa Khawula, who took a huge gamble with his life and went into the notorious TLOF TLOF house he had been talking about for the past few months now on his Twitter. The house he went to is a house where after 9 men go at night to fulfill their sexual fantasies with other men. Musa got into trouble as he went into the house and filmed inside the house, but was caught and eventually kicked out. And I must say, guys, he put his life in danger because there are straight, rich, and powerful men who sneaks at night without their wives knowing that they live a down low life, you guys. And Musa goes in all in the name of Zgaxaisu, you guys. Now, please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you've not yet done so. I will see you on my next upload. Bye.